He jumps and jigs and throwing shapes. I take it up a gear.
Oh no, I've broken 3.
Everything's gonna be all right. I'm 3 and I'm still here. And if you want to dance with me, you'll have to learn to count to 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can't you see? It's fun to be dancing with number 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody look at me. I'm here to entertain you with this funky melody. I'll juggle 3 balls in the air and everyone will cheer. Yay! Everything's gonna be all right now. Number 3 is here. Everything's gonna be all right now. Number 3 is here. Yay! High five! 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 To the side, up above, down low, too slow. High five! Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. 5 birds, 5 trees, 5 flowers, 5 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody do the big hand jive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strings on a 5-string bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rockets going up to space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five! 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 Ooh, I feel so alive. You know that you've arrived when you're with number 5. Oh! Thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crowns. Cool. Oh. How are we gonna get out? If 10 was here, we could rocket out through there. How do we make 10? All together now. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off!
4, 3, 2. I shall open the jar by firing into it from a cannon. No, I shall dive from up high and split the lid in 3. No, I will fearlessly jump over the jar on my tricycle, causing it to open with sheer amazement. Oh dear. Plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Oh.
I knew you could do it, 9.
Oh.
Squares are the best.
I am 8, and I'm playing in the sun. Being Octoblock is my idea of fun. Octoblock run! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, run! Now let's add another 1. 8.
Plus 1 equals
9. I am 9. I am 9, and a playing in the sun, not sneezing, is my idea of fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hankies. Now let's add another 1. 9
plus 1
equals
10. I am 10, and I'm playing in the sun. Being 10 is my idea of fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks.
We're 10 ones, and we're playing in the sun. One marvelous moon. One day I'll go into space.
You'll never get to the moon that way, One. Just count down from 10 to 1. Ready? 10,
9, 8,
7, 6, 5,
4,
3,
2.
1. Blast off!
Number 10 up on the moon, and my friends will be here soon. 10 equals
9.
Plus 1. One small step for a number. One giant hop for number kind.
Whoa. 7 green spotters flying through the air. 7 green spotters flying through the air.
But if one green bottle should wake a grizzly bear?
What?
I mean, hug a teddy bear?
Phew! There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green bottles falling through the air. 6 is my name. Let's play a game. And this game goes like this. 6 green bottles lying on the ground. 6 green bottles lying on the ground.
And if one green bottle spins around...
Whoa! You win!
There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green bottles lying on the ground. You made all of us.
Well done!
And just in time for the grand finale. What better way to celebrate opening my new park than with fireworks?
Oh.
May I present the Sky at Night? You see, One? When we all work together, the sky's the limit.
Say I'm thirsty.
They ask me my number, you know what I mean. And I always say it's Thursday. I always say it's Thursday. And it's Jack and it's 13. This is me, 10 and 3, turning this into a game. I'm changing my luck, I won't come unstuck as long as I don't say my name. Call me 1 more than 12 or 10 and 3, whatever you call me, I'm still me. I'm the happiest number you've ever seen, so lucky to be unlucky. Number 13.
13,
13,
13,
13.
13, 13.
Unlucky me!
12 ones! Whoa! Battery level almost dead, but you're right on top of it. You need to open the cover, take out the old battery, then put in a new one as fast as you can.
Phew, that's 3 different tasks, but I can do them all if I use the 4s.
This is it. Target approaching. 1, 2, 3.
Read hard!
You did it! Now witness the power of this fully operational disco cube!